Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock somebody on Facebook. Okay, let's start with blocking that person first so that I can show you clearly. Okay, let's block this guy. This is just for demonstration. I have nothing against this guy. Okay, let's block him. Block him. Okay, the guy has been blocked. Now let's go back to confirm that he is really blocked. Okay, let's try searching him again. You see, Facebook does not even give me suggestion about this guy because he's blocked. He cannot see my post or anything. Okay, let's unblock him so that we can at least see him. Go to settings. Under settings and privacy, just click on settings. Then scroll down, just scroll down until you find this place label blocking. Just click on it and pick on the guy. This is the guy that we blocked. Now we can unblock him. Easy peasy. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.